Okay, I have the old diaphragm here, which may or may not be defective. Turned out the screws were loose. And I've got the new one. Now, let's see if I can get this in focus. The new one's not going to fit because these gaps here are too small because you're hooking it on a fork-shaped thing inside the fuel pump. So that's going to have to be rectified. The rods are about the same length, which is, fuel pumps is kind of important. The new one's a tad shorter. Doing this and trying to film. But this business, the new one is wider, which I don't know if that'll affect it. And the gaps, as you can see, are considerably smaller. It's like that distance is about the same, but this gap is not going to go, won't go over that fork. Anyway, thought I'd show you how I figured out how to put the old one back in. Okay, lock that with a screwdriver so it'll stay put. This goes in line that way, the flat spot. You got your spring, put your palm on it, and start feeling your way around for those tangs. Usually can't do this the first couple of thousand times on camera. Let me try it. Down. Yeah, there it is there. Nope. Nope. A little further down. Why can't I do this on camera? Sometimes you have to reset the thing. Let all the little bits line up that have to line up in there. Okay. You just kind of feel for it. There it is. The back thing moves a whole lot. Front thing barely moves at all. It's normal. You can barely see it moving. But you can see that this, when I hold this, it should pull on it. There you go. Have to push it in a ways. Don't know my own lack of strength. So I'm going to file this other stupid thing that I got from the parts people and make it so that it'll engage the little fork things. Sorry about the video not being ultra professional. Maybe I'll do it again. Out. Screwdriver in. There's a spring right there at the very top. Hand on. Feel it. Dang. Why couldn't I do that to start with? Why? It's so bloody easy once you know what the trick is. The trick is you've got the fork there, and you've got to feel that fork because the fork goes in between the notches. It doesn't push. You got one thing that pushes here and another thing that pushes here. So that's what's different about it. And that's why it's hard. Trying to do it without putting it in a vise, you ain't gonna do it.